Toyota Wish is a mid-range compact multi-purpose vehicle that provides incredible fuel consumption rates, which makes this a very underrated option for a vehicle that's great on fuel. It is also great in terms of durability and performance. The durability of the Toyota Wish can be credited to its reputation for practicality, low maintenance costs, and reliability. The Wish has always been a front-runner when it comes to style, which has a beautiful and distinctive Carvolini look. The exterior of the Toyota Wish is youthful and dynamic, and it includes an added aero bumper that enhances its overall look. The theatrical curve of the front bumpers toward the rear creates a dense front end, which is powerful. It includes auto-leveling headlights for increased nighttime visibility and a stylish, streamlined body design. The Toyota Wish comes with alloy rims, roof rails, and standard fog lights. The Toyota Wish is a 5-door minivan with a distinguishing slanted bonnet that is similar to the Toyota Estima. It offers safety features including anti-lock brakes, electronic brake force distribution, emergency brake assist, traction control, and electronic stability control, all of which help to make the Toyota Wish one of the safest MPVs in the Japanese market. It has a high roof that even tall passengers will feel comfortable inside. Toyota Wish has the feel of a van. It comes with a rear spoiler for a smooth flow of air at the back, disrupting and preventing lift, thus reducing grip on the road. It has a back camera that provides more visibility behind the car when backing up, which is a huge help in preventing a crash. The Toyota Wish has an exciting boot space, making it a functional car for medium to large families. The Toyota Wish can be defined as a simple but functional with a simple layout and controls that are easily accessible to the driver. In the driver's cabin, the driver's seat is set at an elevated position that affords the driver a commanding view of the road. The space for the first row and second row is enough, but on the third row, the space is tight, especially for a long journey, and is only suitable for children. It includes the following accessories and special features: keyless entry, power steering, power window, AC, airbag, ABS, ESC, AM/FM radio, CD player, DVD, navigation, push start, and more. The rear seats fold seamlessly into the floor to open space for a large boot that can carry medium luggage. It is equipped with a maximum engine torque of 19.7 kg/m per 3,800 rpm and a maximum engine power of 152 PS per 6,100 rpm. The engine is 3ZR and has an engine size of 1,980 cc. It has a CVT transmission, a petrol fuel, and its fuel consumption is about 15.6 km per liter on average. If you are interested in buying this Toyota Wish, or if you are interested in buying other vans at a low price, please visit BeForward.jp. You can also send in your inquiries to top@BeForward.jp. If you like this video, please hit like and share it with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of our future videos.